Welcome to EdTool. In this tutorial, we will go through the Lesson Creator interface. Starting from the top left corner of the screen, we can see the Insert button, which opens up the Module panel. We can use it to add individual modules and build the entire page from scratch, or select pre-designed groups of modules that already include elements such as instruction or activity toolbar. Next is the Use AI button, which brings us to the AI Creator panel. Here, we can provide a PDF file, an image, or some keywords to automatically formulate a prompt, which the AI Creator will use to produce content. Let's move to the top central part of the screen, where the first button that we can find is the Save Page button. While EdTool automatically saves content, we may use this button to ensure that no progress is lost. The Edit Styles button reveals a handy panel that allows us to make precise adjustments to a module, such as changing the fill color or adding a custom padding. The Edit button allows us to modify the content of individual modules, as well as entire groups of them. The last four buttons in this area are the typical editorial buttons, which we can use to cut, copy, paste, and delete modules and groups within the area of our lesson. Moving to the top right part of the screen, the first area consists of three buttons that allow switching between the currently visible Advanced Design Mode, a bit less complex Design Mode, and Preview Mode, which displays the lesson in its final form. The next three buttons allow switching between the currently used desktop view, tablet view, and mobile view. The Select Template button opens up a list of available templates. We can use it to pick a design that suits our needs best. The next two buttons on the right are used to create alternative versions of our content for speakers of other languages. With the Close button, we can exit the Lesson Creator. Now, let's look at the left side panel. From here, we can add an empty page with the Add New Page button, or we can use the arrow button to reveal a list of pre-built pages that make creating a lesson even easier. The newly added page will appear on the list below. To see the structure of each page clearly, we can use the Lesson Structure tab. Creating interactive lessons is remarkably simple with EdTool. Try it out and build your lesson today.